And obviously I've finished going around all the edges, ready for gasket making. And over here I did this area, obviously there's a bit of oil there, and then there's where you would get your engine ID, model number, etc. And start doing around here, under here a little bit, but my drill has just died, so I've got to go and get my other battery. But basically just going over here like this, and that's just fell off. So yeah, I'm gonna spray this, get it ready, and then I've got to dry it all off and essentially then do the other sides, basically do all the gasket areas, and then once all the gasket areas are done and I get the gasket stuff tomorrow, I can probably video doing gaskets with the tape, the paste. Definitely need to do this area over here, this part. I do have a gasket down there, or there's one there, you can just see it in there. So it goes dark silver, and there's a tiny bit of silver in between. That's a metal gasket, so that's fine. This bolt's broke, but I can't get it undone here, but hopefully I can get the gasket maker to lock that bolt in, because it's quite an adhesive. I can do all this with the drill, hopefully get it like this, the whole lot, the whole engine, and then obviously can work on the frame again. Well, you can see I've done some places already, like being in here, done around here. I've just actually got the back brake sorted, so it took an almighty effort to get this out of here, because it was basically freezing up. So now I have a free spinning brake, but obviously I've got to put loads of grease, which I've got to get. I've got grease. I'll grease this bar here, grease this, get a new seal for the around this, grease this, get a new seal for around there, because it just snapped off when I was trying to clean it and make it all shiny. Then the bracket for it is here, and it's obviously a rust show apart from where I was loosening up the bolts, so gonna clean that, get it all silver. That obviously, and then to get it off I had to hit it with a hammer and separate this, and that's what locks in the thing. So I'll obviously have to hammer that back in, might make it dead loose like the metal, but I'd rather have a loose bit of metal than a non-working brake. So getting that done, that was my objective today, is to fix the back brake, because it was all sticking and jamming and I couldn't get my wheel on, and a bit of a nightmare. So yeah, that was my objective today, but I've done way more, so I'm happy. Alright.